What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sneaker World? It's your guy again, JU12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And tonight I'll be giving you guys a quick look at the Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfields. And before we get started, guys, as always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and also smash the notification bell for upcoming vids. And also, thank you for the love and support, and let's continue to grow the channel. I thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. And those who hadn't subscribed, man, go ahead, click that subscribe button. I promise you I have great content and dope vids and heat out of my collection. So stay tuned for that. And like we always do, let's get into the shoe. We have the Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfields. Quick history of the shoe. Tinker Hatfield, he was the designer for the Jordan 3 as the other silhouettes. Quite a bit of the silhouettes in the Jordan collection. This was supposed to be the original sketch that got scrapped in the out of all the threes, but when it was time to finalize it, they just went with another design. As you can see, the design on, of course, on the other threes, you do not have your Nike check, but you're basically looking at the fire red threes, but a little differences in it. But this is basically where they took the inspiration from, was the fire red threes. But let me just get you guys a 360 of these, man. I mean, the Tinker, seeing a lot of mixed reviews on YouTube and just other people I've talked to. To me, my personal opinion, I think it's dope just because of the design sketch, the original design. I think these are dope. A lot of people don't like it because they don't like the Nike check on the side. But to me, I mean, these are mad dope. And before I continue to get into the shoe, guys, let me also shout out Big Bro TD501. If you guys hadn't subscribed or are friends with him on his IG, go to his IG page, man. My big bro has a lot of heat, putting up dope shoes every day. So go on there and show big bro some love and support. TD501, because this is my brother pair here, size 11, that he copped off StockX. So big bro, I appreciate you letting me do the review on the Tinkers. I'll be getting mine in soon, but I appreciate that. And let's get back to these. Just had to shout out big bro for a second, but I appreciate you letting me review these. And these are this is your Tinker Hatfield hang tag here, which is very dope. You got your Tinker Hatfield signature with the Jumpman symbol. Of course, you have your black Nike check on the side, and that's in the black leather there, the elephant print around the toe box. You have the bottom, your original threes. And what's very dope is on this inside here, you got the Tinker Hatfield signature on the inside of the tongue. Mad dope. And you have the sketch that Tinker drew on the inside of your insole. That is very, very fire there. Mad stupid. And shout out to the stamp. You have your Nike Air on the back. And on the inside, you have your Nike stitched there. But as far as the leather, man, you got, it's pretty good leather. It's very good leather on these. So these are, my honest opinion, these are very, very sweet. And you have the Tinker Hatfield signature there. So, alright guys, I'm going to sign out. This has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This has been a quick review of the Tinker Hatfield design. This is the Bubba Files, guys. Lego.